Hi friends, how are you? Do you remember that the other day we went to skate and we learned how to use this, that, these, and those? Remember, these and that are words we use to refer just one place, one person, one object. And these and those are the words we use to talk about more than one, two, three, four. But these and these are to talk about things we have next to us. And that and those are the words we need to talk about things that are far, right? Today, I need to find my family's clothes. They just disappeared. Do you want to know which ones? My mother's scarf, yes, and it's orange. My brother's gloves, which are red. My father's earmuffs, which are blue. And my grandfather's hat, which is black. Yes, it was black. But where can they be? I need to find them. Oh no, it's getting too foggy and it's snowing. What's happening? Hey, I don't see anything. Oh, look at that. We have snowmen here. There are 4 snowmen and they have clothes. Maybe some of them are my family's. Maybe my tiny sister played with them. Look, this snowman has a scarf. Is this my mom's? Yes. Is it? Yes, this is my mom's scarf and it's orange. Great, so we have it. Super. Okay. And what about those globes? Are those globes my brother's? No, I think they aren't. No, those aren't my brothers. Those aren't my brothers because those are pink, not blue. So these ones here. These are blue. Great. And what else? Look at that hat. Is that my grandfather's hat? Yes, my grandfather's hat. Yes, that is my grandfather's hat because it's black. Great. We got 3 from 4. What else were we missing? Look, are these my dad's earmuffs? What do you think? These are or these aren't? I don't remember the color. My dad's earmuffs were... Yeah, they are. These are my dad's, right? Because they are the same color. Great. We need to keep playing these games.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.